We finally built our dream pantry. Follow us as we show you how we built it and the major upgrades we made compared to our old pantry. This is what our pantry looked like before. It was actually a little worse than this because we started adding more things as our family grew. While the cabinets we had here were nice, they weren't really functional for our growing needs. So we're in major cleaning mode right now. I mean, look at this mess. This is our pantry, and in the corner, that actually was our old pantry cabinet, and we were going to sell it, but we decided that it fit perfectly in that corner right there, and we can use it for a lot of the emergency supplies or extra supplies. You know, when you make that Costco run and they come in these big packages and you don't have any place to put them, well, that's the perfect place for them. So, oh yeah, and you know, of course, have to entertain someone. You want to do it too? Okay. So don't mind the mess, but I'm excited to see the outcome. It'll feel so good to start 2021 off with a great start, a nice new pantry, an organized garage, and then also taking inventory of the supplies, you know, a lot of things we had inside the house and some in the garage, and just to see where everything is at, how much of everything we have. It's been a really great experience so far, tossing a lot of things that are old or, you know, expired or things we don't need anymore, and, you know, making room for things we actually do use now, especially now with 2 kids. So it's interesting to see, even going through our things, how our tastes have changed, or how things, you know, a lot of things we used to use we may not use anymore, and they're just at the back of the cabinet and pulling those out. So it's an interesting experience for sure. But we did order some things that are coming in to help us reorganize the pantry a little bit better, so I'm really excited for those items to come in. I can't wait to use them, and a lot of this will be gone, and we can finally have the garage, you know, as a usable space, and you know, our daughter can play in her little tool workbench, which is so cute. My brother and sister got that for her for Christmas, and that is just the cutest thing. Mommy. Oh, sorry. Bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned and see
at the end of the video how everything turns out.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
So on the top shelf, we have bins full of items we don't use every day or bulky items. On the second shelf, we have our rice, beans, pasta, flour, and cornstarch in glass and ceramic containers. We had a lot of OXO pop containers before, but we wanted to switch it up, so we wanted to get glass containers for these items, and then we also used our Cricut to make the labels. On this shelf, we have our breakfast and snack items. So we have our oatmeal, breakfast cereal. We do love our cereal here. And then we have our various snacks that make it easy to grab when we're going out. We could just pack up our bags with all of our snacks. And then we have our little tea corner here because we do like to have tea once in a while. This row we have our fruit basket, and we do have a bottom basket here for potatoes. We do enjoy breakfast potatoes on weekends, so we made sure to get a basket for our potatoes. This is our catch-all basket. Right now it has my son's formula, but once he grows out of formula, we're planning to use this for rotating items whenever we just need to throw something in the pantry. Here is our bread basket, and this is by far my favorite piece in the whole pantry. I didn't think I'd love it this much, but I absolutely love it. It's just so fun to open this to get bread. And lastly, on this row, this is our little bar. So we have various items to make cocktails. This last shelf right here has our jarred sauces, so our pasta sauce, our curry sauce, our breadcrumbs, and we have soy sauce down here, as well as oil. And we have our Le Creuset, which we absolutely love and use all the time. We have our kettle here, and then lastly we have our KitchenAid stand mixer. We wanted to make sure there was space at the bottom for our kids' toys, so my husband made this toy chest for our daughter a while back, and it fits nicely under here, and it's just, you know, she can easily throw her toys in there, and we hope to build one for our son, and so that way he can have his own toy chest. There might be a video coming out with that, so stay tuned. So that way both their toys can fit underneath here, and it'll be out of the way, and we don't have to worry about tripping over them because they're nicely tucked in underneath our pantry. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos from the DNA Life. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!